I know your teachers are working hard to keep your reading proficiency high, but there is one thing that each of you can do on your own: read. The Milken Family Foundation has been a friend and supporter of education since 1987, a very long time indeed. Please join me in welcoming our special guest, the Milken Family Foundation's Senior Vice President, Dr. Jane Foley.
At the Milken Foundation, we believe educators have the most important job in our country because they have the responsibility of preparing all of you for a bright future. I'd like to take a moment right now at this assembly to acknowledge the dedicated faculty at Todd County for the work that you're doing every day. Could all the teachers stand, and the staff, the custodians, the kitchen workers, our principal, our district superintendent, could you stand for a round of applause, please? And before we leave, a teacher at Todd County is going to receive this national award. Let's find out how much money in the financial award. It's $25,000. The Milken Educator Award goes to Albert Hermany Horses.
When we really want to impress our friends, we bring out and we entertain them with our artists and our musicians. Well, today, Albert Hermany Horses happened to have been a chorus and band instructor who was integrating the culture of right down here in Mission, South Dakota, and doing it in such a fashion that the kids could understand not just the importance of music, but recognizing that it's a huge part of their culture as well.
I basically grew up in a school. My mom believes in public education a lot, so I was at every school event at Rosebud Elementary, every school event here at the middle school, everything up at the high school, so it's the only thing I've ever been around here. I think kids like my class because it's a break from their normal school day to get a chance to play an instrument that they want to play more than music itself. It's just a chance for them to do something that they don't see in their community every day.